Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but because of quarantine and all sorts, I haven't been very consistent, but I'm back now. And as you can tell by the title, we are here to make Sobolo. Yes, let's get right into the video. So as you can see, I've got honey, nutmeg, cinnamon, cloves, Selim, Sobolo, ginger and lemon and ginger already in my pot, and I am going to wash the Sobolo leaves, as you can see, washing them. Then I add them to the pot with the lemon and ginger. I add my cloves. I put about 2. Oh sorry, that's not cloves guys, that's the Selim. I don't know how to say it in tree, but you know what, I think it's called, guys, I'm not even going to attempt it, but yeah, I'm adding that. And then I go ahead and add the cloves. By the way, I eyeball every measurement I am putting into this Sobolo recipe. This is my first time making it, by the way. So I put about like a teaspoon of the cloves, and then I go ahead and add a bit of nutmeg. This is my choice. You can add nutmeg if you like, but I thought let me be a bit, different. Then I went ahead and added like a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of cinnamon, just to have that little extra, kick, I guess. Yeah, so there's me eyeballing everything instead for me to use a spoon. Guys, excuse. I know I normally don't do videos like this. And then I go ahead and add some water. I add some more water because it was clearly not enough. Just enough to about cover the leaves, should be fine. And then of course you can add some sugar. I add about 3 tablespoons of sugar because the quantity of how much I was making was quite a lot. You can also add honey, which I did do later on because the sugar wasn't really to my taste. I've got sweet tooth, so yeah. Then I stir. Yeah. And then of course you cover the pot and leave it to steam, leave it to boil, and your Sobolo is ready to drink. Enjoy.